Hey, and welcome to Witchcrafty. I thought I'd do a few more movie themed plushies that people may be searching for, so here's how you can make your own little Mikey. Here's a list of everything you need. Pause here if you need to. The pattern is available for free from my DeviantArt. All of my patterns scale to an A4 piece of paper, so make sure that's what you set it to when printing it. First thing you need to do is to sew up both darts on the first side of the body. Repeat for the second side. Place both body pieces together with the tracing facing up and sew them together along the sides, only leaving the top and bottom open. Align the bottom with the oval beige piece and sew it to the body. Once done, flip the body the right way up and stuff it. Take 2 of the 8 leg pieces and with the tracing on the upside, begin joining them together, leaving the top straight edge open. When you reach the tip of the foot, align the oval beige feet bottom to it and join it around the bottom of the foot. Once done, flip the foot the right way up and stuff it. Repeat for the remaining 3 legs. When you have all of your legs complete, use an invisible stitch to join each one to the bottom oval of the body. Take 2 of the 4 arm pieces and place them with the tracing up and sew them together only around the curved side, leaving the top straight edge open. When you reach the end of the line, flip the arm the right way up and stuff it. Repeat for the second arm piece. Use an invisible stitch to join both arm pieces to each side of the body. Then take one of the 2 face pieces and sew up the darts at the top and bottom. Repeat for the second side. Then take the white eye back and use a back stitch or a running stitch and join it to one of the face sides. Below this, use the same method to join the teethy smile. In the centre of the eye, using matching thread, join the blue circle. And lastly, in the centre of the blue circle, join the black circle. Now that the face is complete, place both face sides together with the tracing facing up and sew them together along the line starting at the dart at the bottom of the face. Once you've almost reached the end, flip the head the right way up, stuff it with PolyFil and finish off the sewing line with an invisible stitch. Take 2 of the 4 horn pieces and sew them together, leaving the straight edge open. Once done, flip it the right way up and stuff it. Repeat for the second 2 pieces. Then, using an invisible stitch, join the horns to either side of the head. And finally, use an invisible stitch to join the head to the body. And that is how you make your own little Mikey plushie. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and comment down below on ideas you'd like to see me make next. And while you're at it, why don't you go check out my other videos? I upload new videos every single week. Thanks for watching, bye!